Ethereum Classic combines the philosophy behind Bitcoin with no official leader or website, and the technology behind Ethereum to maintain a proof-of-work or POW hybrid of the two. There was a split between the Ethereum Foundation after the DAO hack back in 2016 that prompted a reversal of the effects, where ETC's focus then solely became immutability, so it couldn't happen again. It remains a strong, censorship-resistant, open-source, decentralized blockchain for smart contracts and DAOs, with a supply cap of 210 million, and experiences a fifthening that reduces block rewards by 20% instead of halving or 50% like Bitcoin. Litecoin is one of the earliest alternatives to Bitcoin, launched in 2011 by a Google engineer. It is taken on the reference as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, running on Bitcoin's same open-source codebase, but uses a different mining algorithm called Scrypt, which enables it to be mined with consumer-grade hardware. It makes it less resource-intensive, ideal for efficient digital commerce and other reliable, cost-effective means. Litecoin has introduced some additional privacy features to the space, such as Segregated Witness, or SegWit, and MimbleWimble Extension Block, or MWEB upgrades, with proven levels of high speed and security. There was also a Litecoin summit on May 29th. Basic Attention Token is a utility token to track and verify the activity and attention of users, creators, and advertisers on the Brave web browser. You can earn rewards for your BAT wallet by just using their browser and track your own privacy hub of the amount of ads blocked, data saved, and time saved by simply using the browser instead of other centralized browsers. It is the first browser to launch an on-chain top-level domain in partnership with Unstoppable Domains and available to its 85 million plus users. They also work with Moonwalk Fitness to accelerate impact of getting people moving with step challenges. Storj is an open-source decentralized protocol that uses up spare cloud storage from computers and servers to reduce carbon emissions. It splits data into multiple pieces on its distributed network, reducing energy requirements for nodes, and is extremely cost-effective versus centralized cloud providers like AWS and Google Cloud. It co-founded the Digital Sustainable Alliance to increase its commitment to carbon savings in data storage systems. Aave is the world's largest liquidity protocol that currently holds 20% of all DeFi TVL, or total value locked, and almost 4 times more TVL than the CeFi, or centralized finance, lending sector, about 39 billion versus about 11 billion. It is open source and non-custodial, allowing users to supply and borrow assets within liquidity pools where they earn interest or use the assets as collateral. It is also known for flash loans, which means borrowing and repaying assets within a single transaction. Fun fact, Aave means ghost in Finnish. Arbitrum is a top Ethereum scaling solution that provides a robust architecture for RWAs, or real-world assets, DePIN, or decentralized physical infrastructure network, DeFi, or decentralized finance, dApps, or decentralized applications, gaming, and Oracle data. It leverages optimistic rollups, which assume transactions are valid unless challenged, with a built-in dispute mechanism, and its Nitro tech stack with a comprehensive developer toolkit that includes rollup, orbit, and AnyTrust. With near-instant block confirmation, compressed call data for low gas fees, and high-performance transaction execution, it envelops a seamless developer and user experience with flexible infrastructure, differentiating itself from the pack. The Sandbox is a decentralized gaming metaverse where you can monetize virtual assets like land and build out rewarding creations that can be traded as NFTs. As an interactive and immersive experience, the ecosystem powers another level of ownership within the play-to-learn, or P2E, environment and looks to enhance blockchain integrations across leading tokenization projects. The Sandbox just celebrated its 13th anniversary and is a top sponsor for the NFC Summit in June out of Lisbon. Zcash is private money built on a proof-of-work, or POW, ZK Snark, or zero-knowledge, succinct, non-interactive, argument of knowledge, security consensus protocol. It was established in 2016 as a fork of the Bitcoin blockchain and enables shielded transactions that encrypt user data similar to ZK proofs. Zcash has recently integrated with near-protocol intents for self-custodial swaps and has passed 3 million in total shielded transactions. It maintains a fixed supply of 21 million, just like Bitcoin, and is secured by the equal hash algorithm for flexible addresses and usability.